I paid 4,600 for this 2019 Q50 with 90,000 miles, and it's a run and drive, zero issues. I could take it anywhere right now. It drives without a problem. But the only reason I got this car for 4,600 is because of this side damage. He was involved in a side accident. Both doors need to be replaced. There's a little bit of damage on the front fender as well. But other than that, the car is running perfect. It is an all-wheel drive. There's no check engine lights on the dash. As you see, 47,000 miles. 3.0 turbo.